Hey YouTube, welcome back. So yeah, today I'm going to unbox this two of the Apple iPhone USB Type-C earbuds that I got from Best Buy. So we have $40 reward card, and then I use it. So I end up paying about $5 something, free shipping. So yeah, previously I purchased some of the cheap one, and then it didn't work. Only one earbud works. So, by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So let's go and then unbox them and check them out. So yeah, I'm not sure why wasting so much carton. That was a big box just for this two earbuds. So the lightning adapter one was like $16. It was originally retail for $19.99 and it was on sale, but this time around I'm purchasing the new Type-C. I'm not sure if this is also compatible with the Android or not. So let's go and then open this up. Warranty instruction, FCC, So yeah, make sure you purchase the one with the microphone. Some of them, they don't have the microphone feature. I'm not sure if it's the aftermarket one or what. Alright, so I got the iPhone here. Let me go ahead and check it out. Wow, the quality is pretty good. Let me do a video test or record video and see. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm using the microphone and see how it goes. Let's see. So yeah, it works very well actually. I'm pretty impressed with the quality of the earbuds. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.